my shit. I just fuck my red. Yo, ain't no supposed to talk to me. Say, bro, control your bitch. I clap off, bring that ass here. I'm looking my feelings about your girl. That was cash, yo. I just stayed up. She ain't like a homegirl. She a make-up killer. Take a make-up off, and she look way different. Now let me see you work out. I love it when you work out. In the hood, I get you work out. I'm sorry we